Today, I'm going to be giving you a closer look at this facial cleaning brush from PIXNOR, along with a set of brush replacement heads. This is Mere Product Reviews. This facial brush is waterproof, so you can easily store it in your shower, and it requires two AA batteries. The brush has 3 power settings: off, low, and high speeds. Out of all the facial cleansing brushes that I've tried, this one has the most attachments. You've got 7, and there are a wide variety and different ones that I haven't seen before. For instance, this one is the rolling massager, and I've never seen another brush that has this. This set has 2 separate bristle brushes that come with it. And this one right here is the makeup sponge. I love to use this one when I'm applying moisturizer. It really rubs it into the skin nicely. This piece is the crude polish accessory. And the pumice stone. Don't use that on your face. At the time that I bought the set, there were actually 3 fine brushes that came along with it, and now one of them has been replaced with a latex soft sponge when you go and order this now. But when I got this, there were 3 brush heads, and they were just different levels of softness and length with the bristles. I have been using cleaning brushes like this for probably the past 3 years, and while the brush heads actually last for a really long time, eventually they do need to be replaced. So I'm showing you right here a kit that you can get from PIXNOR that are replacement heads for this cleaning brush. This replacement head box includes another pumice stone, a makeup sponge, and then 3 different brush heads. There's the coarser brush head, the soft brush, and then the ultra fine brush. I haven't found that I've needed to replace the pumice stone piece at all on my different cleaning brushes, but as far as these bristle brushes go and the makeup sponge, eventually after being used, they just get a little worn out, the brushes bend and give way, and it's time to replace that. So this is a good replacement kit with lots of good options. I got both of these products on Amazon, and as usual, you can find the product link for these in my write-up below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you found this review to be helpful. Check out my channel for more product reviews just like this one. If you love these product reviews, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. I appreciate my subscribers so much.